look like this from number 3. You needed the Elmer glue to help stick the wood to from where is it? From right here to connect this. What is this called again? The B board. Yeah. But yeah, we're almost in, and I'll be back once we have all of these legs on. All right. So I made a mistake. These are supposed to be put in before I screw them like I did here. They're supposed to look like this with the washer and the little lock cap. Those are the 2 steps, 5 and 6, that I forgot to put in before I put in 4, which is the screw. So I have to go back and put washers on all of them. So this is the finish. Look, it is pretty tall. I thought it was actually going to be really short, but it's actually as tall as the box. And the box is like, you kind of compare it. So if you're like thinking about picking this up, I think you should go for it, because if you see how tall the box is, okay, so it's like almost midway tall. Okay. So shout out to me 8. You know, anybody can do this. You can set it up really easy. It's really nice, very comfortable to the spacious intent that I wanted it for. So I can move it here, I can move it there, I can move it over there. Like, I have so much to think about before, you know, placing everything in. And it's pretty steady. It also does say on the manual that it does not lift more than 200 pounds, I believe, or 200 something like that. But yeah, it has a weight limit because I guess it will crash into falling down because of the legs, you know. But if you screw them on pretty tight, I think it'll last pretty good. But that is the desk, and yeah, if you haven't bought it yet, go buy it, because you know you want it. You're gonna keep going back and look back at it, so just buy it like I did. And I'm really happy that I did. And right now, I think they had something like layaway or something like that. But on my receipt right now, this is selling for $26.50. That's how much I bought this for. And the original price was 59 something. I got it for like pretty much half the price. So go get it if you haven't bought it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me fix this up. Yeah. Have a great day. See you guys in my next clip.